Hi and welcome to the price action analysis for the 27th of January. On the 24th, this move was predicted. I do admit that I was not forcing such a huge strong move, but we were at the top of the trend channel line and we were calculating a measured move down. So this was anyways predicted in the video that was made on the 24th, and I've always been of the opinion that this, if you look in a 1 hour time frame, is a big continuation pattern which is overshot the trend line here. Because of this huge move down, I think the sentiments in the market would be mixed, and coupling with that, if in case you're looking at the budget uncertainty which is in the market, you could also feel that people may not be very bullish right now, but this is a continuation pattern unless and until it fails. Now, whenever you see a pattern like this form and whenever there is an overshoot towards the end, that's not a bad sign ever. That's a good sign, because you have now a lot of trap traders who are bearish and would probably have their stops here. Don't be surprised if the market gaps up tomorrow in its opening and eventually gradually makes a channel upwards just to give you a breakout here gradually and eventually. I'm not saying that it will happen immediately, but don't have bearish views. Right from, I think, the 22nd or 23rd, we've been anticipating this move down to test this. Now, this is not bad news. This is good news. In case this pattern fails, I don't know where the market would go and have some form of consolidation, maybe this levels, but don't bet on it falling further. You have enough people being bearish about their views in the market, and that is enough for the market to not go down, because the stops should all be up here. My views remain the same. Now that this trend line has been overshot, you would have a good continuation pattern that you see going towards up. Once this particular trend channel line is barged, you would have a very strong move up. This I thought would be a wedge, but it isn't a wedge. The wedge calculation actually failed here when the low, it didn't create a lower low, it created a higher low. So this is more of an expanding triangle, and expanding triangles mostly are continuation patterns till it fails. So we're not counting on this to fail as yet. We can look for a breakout here that would eventually come. So tomorrow, I think the bias should be bullish and not bearish. In case the pattern fails and if it has to go down, there's no end to it. So you have an area of agreement here, you have an area of agreement here, but it seems unlikely. If you compare this with Nifty and if you also compare with global charts, we are looking slightly positive there. But looking at strict price action analysis, this overshooting of this particular trend line is not a bad thing. We have created a double bottom, and again, the overshooting of the double bottom is not a bad omen. This all points towards bullishness tomorrow, so you can probably share the same view that I do. I hope this was helpful and informative. I don't want to divulge more into this analysis. It looks pretty simple. I'm glad that there were a few of us who made money on the 25th. I hope that this trend probably continues. Whenever there is good movement, I think option buyers can make money. So in case you like this, kindly like and subscribe. I think your support means a lot to me. We've grown now to 27 subscribers. I'm thankful. I'd see you again tomorrow for the analysis for Monday, and thank you.